What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, guess what? The Shake and Bake Chevelle is ready to go. I know somebody's been keeping an eye on it, watching the videos, watching the progress on it. But guess what? It's for sale. I know you want it. It's got the LS53 in there with the LS6 intake, 4L60E, with the factory 12 bolts. Factory 12 bolt rear end. Guys, fully restored, frame off. This thing is nice. Dakota Digital gauges, all tank sync fuel system, EFI. I mean, vintage air, you guys name it. But guess what? It is up for grabs. All the work we've been doing, all the work we put in, it is finally gonna pay off. So somebody hopefully can take this thing home. If you guys are interested, contact me. The information is down here below. Let me know what you guys think. As a matter of fact, let me just show you guys the car and I'm gonna stop talking. Everybody. Blackouts, here comes the blackouts. Blackouts, here comes the blackouts. Blackouts, here comes the blackouts. Blackouts, here comes the blackouts.